Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So today, before we get started, I know y'all seen that title and that thumbnail. So yeah, your girl is getting ready for a snowstorm. I'm in a truck. I just literally just got off of work. I had a short shift today, but where I'm from, we barely get that. Plus they're saying that it's historical or something, because like when we do get it, and like when I say that's barely, but when we do get it, it's so little that it melts like right away. But now they're saying it's like could be like a mini blizzard or whatever. So yeah, so I'm gonna run a few errands. Take off these gloves. That's look, see, I'm telling y'all, we're not really used to that. It's cold right now. It's like freezing, but and it's gonna be worse than that, and I can't even handle this, and it's supposed to be worse than that. I'll clean my glasses. But yeah, so come with me, run a few little errands. And I got my little sticky note. I made a sticky note while I was at work because we were so slow today. Yeah, I'm close up to the seat because I am a shorty. Short. But yeah, I'm going to the store and get a few items, and then I'm going to fill up my truck just in case, because you just never know. So yeah, I just gotta get like aspirin, tissue. I know I'm backwards, but come on, who don't like ice cream when it's cold? It's gonna be warm in the house, you know. Hopefully the lights don't go off or whatever. Yeah, ice cream cones, because I have my bucket of ice cream already for me and my kiddos. Apples, and I might get a box of cake mix just to kind of keep them out of the pantry and bake something, so that, hold on, let me put my seatbelt on. Bake something so that we could just cut on the cake, you know, or the brownies, whichever one. So yeah, I think I'm trying to see what store. I think I'm gonna go to the Dollar General. If you know, you know. Your girl I love me some Dollar General. I love me some Dollar General. So yeah. Okay, baby, what you gonna do? Lord, he ain't trying to come into the baby. Some people just drive bad. So and then they turn so close to your vehicle. But I'm trying to get comfortable, y'all, because I have this sweater on. I have this over it. Like, I'm just yeah. So if you know, your girl, like, I love the Dollar General, y'all. I'm sorry, I love the Dollar General. So I'm gonna go ahead to my local Dollar General and get a few things. Then I gotta go across town to one of my relatives, and then I'll be home. So yeah, how was y'all day? And what y'all did today? Also, I'm sorry, I'm paying attention to how these people is driving. Like, we not used to it, so it's got them going even more berserk. So I might post a video after this one to show you the actual snow day. Like, we are all so shocked because they said something like it never happened like in 60 plus years. So I'm really curious to see how that play out, how this gonna play out. Let me know down in the comments what are some things that y'all prepare, that y'all get for like storms. Like, it don't even have to be like snow, like storms in general, hurricanes or whatever. Or even let me know if y'all get snow on a regular, like where where y'all from. Like, are y'all used to it? Because baby, when I tell you, we are not used to it at all. So yeah, I'm on my way to the Dollar General. On my way to the Dollar General. And y'all keep playing with my seatbelt because baby, sometimes the thing can be uncomfortable, but it is safety first. So yeah, I guess I'll get back to y'all when I get there. Back. I made it to the store. Had to be safe. I made it to the store. And I'm just preparing to get out because, like I said, it's really cold. So, preparing to get out. Let me make sure I have my cards, because baby, I walk in there and start and don't even have my cards with me, or at least I like to at least have it when it's time for me to check out. See what I'm saying? I'm looking for my cards and I'm trying to find it. I'm sorry, y'all. Your girl is back. So I know the last y'all saw I was going in the Dollar General, but I got caught up. This cold is kicking my tail. I told y'all we're not used to this like that. So I didn't went to Dollar General. I went to the other grocery store that I had to go to. I didn't drop off my relative stuff. I didn't put me some gas. So yeah, I'm about to head back home or whatever. So yeah, I'ma just end it here because your girl want to listen to some Ride Wave. If you know, you know. That's, oh my God, that's, yeah. So I'ma end it right here. And I'll see y'all in the next video. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend about my channel.